Functional programming. It should not be confused with imperative programming. Neither is it like object-oriented programming. It is something different. Functional programming is all about expressions. In fact, another way to describe functional programming might be to term it expression-oriented programming, since in functional programming everything reduces to an expression. Finally, functional programming tries to focus on what rather than the how of problem solving. That is, a functional program should describe the problem to be solved rather than focus on the mechanism of solution. Functional programming is a programming paradigm that treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions and avoids state and mutable data. F# allows developers to design software using the functional paradigm. This means functional patterns such as interactive programming, pattern matching, immutable data types, type inference, lambda expressions, workflows, higher-order functions, discriminated unions, etc., are all included in F#. While taking advantage of these features, a developer using F# can use the type system, implement object-oriented design and make use of the .NET classes. This makes F# a very unique language that combines all the features of a first-class .NET language and a professional functional language. F# is introduced to programmers in Visual Studio 2010 and it will be improved for the beta introduction to Visual Studio 2010. F#'s tight integration with the entire .NET system of libraries and development environment enables developers to bring the power of functional programming to the .NET platform and thereby it is introduced to programmers through Visual Studio 2010. C# is a simple, modern, object-oriented type-safe and multi-paradigm programming language. C# is the first component-oriented language in the C and C++ family. Developed by a Microsoft research team, led by Anders Hagelsberg. C# is a language with the power of ++ and simplicity of Visual Basic. In 2003, International Standard Organization approved the language standards. These are few of the well-known features of C#. Here you are shown with a simple example of C# coding.